Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's YG and I'm ready just for you guys. By the way, today a parcel arrived for me from Flipkart. If you want to see the logo, wait. Yeah, and it contains 5 random mochis. What do you think? What is mochis? These are kind of a squishy toy you can use, and they're really fun to play with. So I'm excited to see what mochis you get. So I'm gonna crack this open with you guys. I swear I've not seen it all as a specific mochi. It's totally random. It's harder than I thought. Push like the wind. Oof. So I got a little tear. Man, this wrapping is good. What was stuck? Glue? No, it's actually tape, but I can't do this. Ow, 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 ow. I think I hurt myself. No. Just kidding. Remove the tape. Please say I can open it now. Yes. Okay, so okay. So I think you can see the mochi. Maybe I don't really know. I'm not seeing it. So this is the packaging of the mochis. It says La Beauty. So in this box we have 5 random mochis. Let's crack them open. And also if you have mochis, please tell me. Sub to me, like this video also. And what I was saying, if you have emojis, and please tell me, because maybe I got the same one as you, hopefully. And tell me what we got same. Or when you subscribe, you can just come to my house because you know my address. If you don't know, don't worry. Just search it up or call my phone number. Okay. So you ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. I feel good. I feel something. I feel some rap. Okay. First mochi is this. Yeah, let's get. I'm not seeing it as you can see. I'm gonna guess it's blue color. Oh, it's a pink color mochi. Oh, I don't really like pink. It's a girl mochi. But I don't care because it looks really cute. And it looks really rare too. Because I got a mochi trend from somebody else. And I don't see anybody have it. So let's just use scissors to cut it out because I can't use my hands. Okay. And voila. So this is the mochi. Yo, this looks so sick. This is the mochi. It smells weird. It's so squishy. It's so damn squishy. Look at this. Yeah, it's so squishy. Sadly, it has no shapes. You can't switch it that much, but it's so squishy. Okay, if you guys subscribe to my channel in 5 seconds, I'll give away this mochi to you guys. I'm not even joking. Literally, I'm not even joking. Okay, and then like this video, and then you can call me, and then I will give this mochi to you. Yes. This smelling cool mochi. It's, by the way guys, it's very stretchy. Look at that, it's so fun to play with. The next mochi is this one. I'm gonna say it's like a white color. Oh, it's a yellow color. I think I'm getting the rarest mochi in the world because even in the picture I didn't see all these, literally. But this one has some shape which is good. And it is one of my favorite colors, yellow. I thought it's a duck, but it's a unicorn. Look at this. And this is an axolotl, I think. Yo, this is so stretchy. Look at this. Just look at this. It's so squishy and look at this. Yeah. Okay. In the end, I'm gonna name all these mochis you're gonna get. Okay. So apparently there are 5 mochis. So this one is gonna be I want to guess a very random color, green. Where is the purple mochi? Wow. I want to get at least one right. And this looks like very, very girlish. Just look at it. Compare it to this actually. Why am I getting girl mochis? I don't care, but it's still mochis. Oh my god, it's the best. Did you see that, guys? It's so squishy. Oof. I'm satisfied right now because these emojis are all very good. And my school, because all these girls show off with their emojis. Now I have, and now I'm going to say this one is going to be red. Oh, it's a white one. This is the first time a mochi I ever touched in my whole life. Literally in school I touched it. Okay, so I got a white cat and a purple cat. I'm sad I got the same animal, but hey, you can't complain. Oopsies. The purple cat is very clumsy. I got 2 cats. Okay. I don't care if I get 2 cats. It's because wait, what? There are only 4. Where's the 5th one? Where's the 5th one? I only got 4. Okay, there I found it. It was in the back of the box stuck for some reason. Okay. So this feels okay. I can actually feel it for some reason. It's a very small packaging compared to the others, and I think it's like a maybe it's, I'm gonna say pink. Oh my god! It's an orange color, but look at this. It's my favorite mochi. Yo, look at this. It doesn't have much shape, but look at it. It's a tiger. It looks so cute. Look at it. It looks so cute. It's my. What's your favorite mochi from these pulls? This one. Okay. This one. Or this one. This is my favorite. Tell me yours. Now before I leave, let's name them very quickly. Ghost Hunters. Mr. Rare. So cute. Ducky. Sissy. See you guys. Bye.